here and welcome to Curbside Trends. So today is going to be a bit different. We will not be trying on clothes today. We're actually going to be working on a DIY project that has been laying on my floor for quite some time now, and I figured today would be a good of day as any to go ahead and roll that out. Now, before we get started, if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Go ahead and subscribe right now. Click the bell so you know I'm uploading new and awesome content. If you are not new here, welcome back, gorgeous or handsome.
Alright, so here's what you'll need. I bought the cube organizers from Target for $30 each. I purchased 2. I bought these in a set of 6. I also bought 2 of these for $11 each from Lowe's. I ordered these, they come in a set of 10 from Amazon for $8. And then lastly, I got the glue from Walmart for $7. Now before you put together your cube organizer, you're going to want to go ahead and glue down the mirror tiles to your little holder. Now also I forgot to mention I did buy 4 of these from Target for $4 a piece. I chose to glue my mirror tile to the back of my holder because the front of it has a hole in it. You'll see that hole once I flip it over, but that hole is it's designed to be a handle, but I'm making my own handles. Now once you glue it down, you're going to want to put that under something heavy to apply pressure so it can dry really well and won't be flimsy. Now once that dry, you're going to want to take one of your crystal knobs or a knob to your liking, whatever you decide, and place a little bit of glue on there and then press it into the center of the mirror tile. I know some of y'all may be wondering why I have that stay home sticker right in the middle of my video, so weirdly placed. Turns out while recording, I was showing my address that was written on the box, so of course I had to cover that up. Anyway, you're going to want to put this together based on the directions, but I'm definitely going to give you some tips because I messed up the first one. So the first tip is just be very careful when putting these together because while you're putting them together, they can be very flimsy and you can easily break some of the parts. So you're going to be very careful while doing so. And then also, secondly, I tried to use a drill because I was like, why would I sit here and screw all of these in one by one when I can use a drill? Turns out the drill can easily split the wood particles, so use a screwdriver as the instructions said. Don't be like me trying to speed this process up and actually tear it up. Now luckily, once I put it together on the one that I messed up, it was still pretty sturdy. I didn't have any concerns with it, but just an FYI, do not try and do something other than what the instructions tell you to do because you can easily mess these up. Another tip, notice how the front of this is a completely finished product. It has, the black finish and a smooth edge. However, once you flip it over, you will notice that it is unfinished and it's just showing like wood particles. So a tip would be when putting this together to be sure that you are putting all the pieces facing the right direction. It's not good enough just to put all the pieces where they go, but definitely make sure they're facing the correct way. Hopefully that makes sense. And again, there were a lot of screws, but do not try and use a drill to make this process quicker. I promise you it is not worth it, and screwing them in was not so bad. It was a bit time consuming, but to have a finished product that does not have broken pieces is worth that time that was consumed. So again, do not try and use a drill like I did on my first one. Lastly, you're going to want to put a substantial amount of glue on the top so that you can place your mirror tiles on the top of the product as well. Now guys, this glue was kind of hard to squeeze out, but the hold that it gives is well worth that difficulty. So you're going to place your mirror tiles and be sure that you flush them with the corners, and then also push them together to have a seamless look, and then put something on top to dry. Now here's my finished product. Overall, I am really happy with it. I think it gives my room a light feel, and it also clears up a lot of floor space in comparison to the previous nightstand that I had. But in clearing up that floor space, it did not take any of my storage capacity. In fact, it added to it. So definitely happy with the finished product. I hope you all try it out and like it just as much as I did. As always, I thank you all so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, click the bell so you'll know when I upload new and awesome content. Also follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and TikTok. Until the next time, always be love, kindness, and light. Bye-bye.